Okay, got here an old Dell. This is from about the year 2008. This is the old Dell Latitude D630, and it's similar to the D620 and the D820. I don't have too much light here, and let's see how good this shows up. I was gonna let's see here. I'm trying to think of a video for you guys. I'm gonna restart, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do a tour of the BIOS of the setup. I'm gonna do a tour of the setup. This thing's still as good as the laptop's out. I got Windows 10 Pro running here. Let me do a restart. I'm gonna do a tour of the BIOS. All right. I broke the. Where's my torch light? Let's see what that does. That's too bright. I don't want to have that on there. I'm gonna do a restart here. I broke the flat back here in the back. There's a tab back here. I'll run you through the BIOS a little bit here. I got a password right here. Okay. I'll show you in another video how to do that. How to add that password. The BIOS. Invalid. Damn. Okay, we're booting up now. Yeah, this is from like the year 2008. And this thing runs fine. I've had this for about a year and a half now. Got it on eBay for about 30 bucks plus delivery. It was included. Oh, I didn't go to the BIOS. Damn, sorry about that. I skipped over it. I'll go back. Hold on a second here. Dang. Killing time. Alright, here, let's go back to the BIOS. I'm going to reboot. I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to restart. There. And then when I restart, I'm going to hit F2. Right when I see it boot up, I'm going to hit, you keep pumping F2. We're going to go into the BIOS. Alright, here we go. F2. Now start pumping F2. Keep pumping F2 and look up here in the corner. There you go. We're going to the setup. Alright, I gotta have a password here. I'll show you that in another video, remember? We should go into BIOS. Here we go. Okay, we got system info. Where's my down key? Oh, I got the BIOS I'm on here. I think I got A19 on here. I'll do in my next video. I'll show you how to go to Dell and download the new BIOS, the latest BIOS for this computer. But anyway, you got, if you read over here on the right side, everything you click to here, over here it shows you what you can do. Or here it's just giving you the layout of the computer, the processor and everything, clock speed. See, okay, now you go arrow down. This is all system info right here. Memory info. It's telling me I got 4 gigs of RAM. This mine goes up to 8 gigs. It can handle 8 gigs. And down below in descriptions, if you look down there, I got a link to Crucial's got a nice tool you can use to see on your computer. It'll test your computer and see how much memory it can hold. So you go. I got a link down below. You can go to my link. Device info. See, now you go over here on the right. It's saying I got a hard drive in there. I got an SSD in there with 240 gigs. I got the video card's a Quadro. I don't know what you call that one. Let's see here. Battery info. Oh, I got 2 batteries in there. I got a secondary battery over here on the side. I got that in another video too. It's over where your DVD-ROM goes. And that says it's discharging 87%. And here's the main battery. Here's my main primary battery, 99% charged. It's first working off the side battery, I guess, the modular bay. Okay. And the next thing, I got the battery health here. Let's go down another scroll down with your down arrow, and it's saying the batteries are healthy. Primary batteries performing normally. Modular bay performing normally. Okay. You got the date and time. You go over here on the right. There it is, 8:30, July 8th. Boot sequence. This is you can change these here. They're only going to be in the boot. The computer, when you first start, it looks around and it tells itself it's a computer, and then it'll start from the diskette drive. You see, I got the diskette drive first, and then it goes to the internal drive, and I got USB storage device, and then it goes to DVD-ROM. It just goes. That's the sequence it uses. You can change those though. You just read up here how to do it. I think I got a video on here how to. I switched them around, showed you guys how to do it. One of my other videos. Just look on. Scroll through my videos. I'll leave a link down below. Onboard devices. It's showing me what the computer has. Serial ports. Modular bay device. Flash cat. Microphone. Internal modem. Okay. Video. I think that shows the video card. Let's see here. Ambient light sensor. Brightness. To enter the view. Option settings related to. I don't know too much about that section. Security. Oh, here's where I think I went here to get a password in the boot. See, before I even got into the BIOS, I had a password in there. And here's where you're going to add it in here. You're going to choose one of these here. Admin I think overrides the system password. You're gonna scroll down. If you click in there, it's gonna widen out. Let's see. Enter. There it goes. It widened out. It gives me more options here. You're gonna scroll down to what you want to change. See? If you want to put an admin password in there, it'll tell you over here how to do it. Just follow what it says. Okay, go down here. Performance. Let's go down to performance. Enter. It's just telling me a little bit about the computer here. The cache and speed step. That's supposed to be. That should be enabled. Yeah, that is. You can enable it and disable it right here. Okay. Power management. This is for your battery saving. You save on your battery. Say enter. Let's see. You can turn it on and off. You can set the time you want it to come on. You do read over here everything it does before you change something. Maintenance. Let's see what's this got. Say enter. Load defaults. There you go. You know you want to go back to the way it was before somebody started messing with it like me. Okay. And wireless. Let's see what the wireless shows. Down. Enter. It's just showing. It'll show the Wi-Fi card. It'll just tell you about the Bluetooth, wireless switch, LAN, Wi-Fi catcher. Oh, this thing, Wi-Fi catcher. I guess if you got this thing on, you're rolling down the road. You pass a Wi-Fi setting somewhere, hotspot. It'll let you know. You pass a fast food place. It'll light up. Your computer will say there's a hotspot that you can stop and use their Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm going to bail out of here for now. I think that's going to be about it. I get any questions? Talk to me in the video there. Ask me questions down below. Leave your comments, and go to my Patreon link. I'm going to put some exclusive videos over there too. Might stick this one over there. It's gonna that Patreon link's down below. You can help my channel. You can donate on Patreon page. It's down in the description. Okay, now let's bail out of here for today. ESC to exit setup. Okay, just gonna push ESC, and we're gonna say exit over here on the right. We're gonna do one to the right with our arrow. We're gonna say enter. And we should be out of there. It should reboot now too. It's going to go into Windows. There's my BIOS version at the bottom. A19. There you go. And I'll show you on Dell's site how to get it downloaded on the next video. That'll be my next video. Let's see here though. I just want to get back in, make sure everything's okay. You don't want to make too many changes there in setup, where I just had you in BIOS. Is if you don't know what you're doing, you can mess stuff up. It won't start right. Your computer won't boot up. But it looks like we're okay now. We didn't make any changes. So I'm going to bail here in a second. Just make sure it starts up. There it goes. And I got this is the password in Windows 10. I just named it Bill Gates just to be funny. And that's it. And I got you know, don't mess with that 365 they're trying to push on you, Microsoft. I got an old copy of Office 2003 in there. It's running just fine. I got Windows 10 Pro running here, and I got an old copy of the. See, I made the shortcuts here. There's Word. This is from 2003. There's Excel. There's Outlook. In the middle there. There's Word there. Oh, that's a WordPerfect up there. That's a copy. I got a little WordPerfect. Coral, the old Coral WordPerfect. That's even better than. Here's Quattro Pro. I think that's a trial version I got there. I got a trial version out here of Coral WordPerfect. I went to their site and downloaded a trial version. Alright. This is kind of getting long here. I think I'm going to bail here. So talk to me in the comments, and check out the Patreon link down below in comments. And let me know what you want to see in the comments. Talk to me there. And I'm going to bail here. See you in the next one. I'm gonna power. Let's see here. Power and shut down. Okay, that's it for this one. That's the Dell Latitude D630, and that was setup. I just showed you a tour of the setup. And now I'm shutting her down. I'll see you in the next one.